वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर एंड कंप्यूटर सिस्टम क्या होता है। कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इज अ collection of hardware and software components designed to produce an effective for computation. Hardware refer to the physical computing component itself. Software refer to the program written to provide services to the user of the system. Together, hardware and software define the computing environment for the user. The environment within the user perform computation. It is difficult to talk about a computing environment without dealing with both hardware and software, 'cause software accept of that environment. For this reason, the term computer system perhaps better describe what the user intersect with. Does what does then the computer what has defined hardware our tool it the nearly days of the computing user interact for more closely with the actual hardware than in a common day. Many of function that once performed by the user themselves are now handled by software known as operating system. The operating system is essentially responsible for the processing our user request by the computer system. It ensure for example, then the computer hardware resources are made available as required. Then software resources then give up resources paid as needed, and user cannot themselves or other user employer can prepare the request and have been create the environment or the other user can prepare the request has been served without being overly concerned and hardware exists details. Explain of operating system include MS-DOS, CM, Unix, VMX, and CMS, and MVX for most user of computer system. Software components such as operating system and programs it manage are more visible than hardware component. In fact, user can completely unaware of the hardware and involve their request or proceed. जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वो तकरीबन 5-6 तरह के जो कॉमनली यूज इस्तेमाल होते हैं वो है यूनिक्स, CPM, डोस एंड MVS. A typical computer system at the core of the system in the computer hardware about which will be said later in the section. Typically, hardware includes the central processing unit, memory and devices, printer, monitor, disk drive. The operating system and other devices are built upon the hardware to provide the user computing environment. Typical software include editor, user to prepare program and data, language processor and file system and communication support allows the user to communicate with the system of a computer other system of a computer and application program shapes and forms graphics packages and user convey this request to the system through the use of command language and provide ultimate interference between the user and system. Computer system can be divided roughly into categories: single user system such as personal computer, multiple user system such as mainframe computer. While the basic idea as a management problem become more difficult is the multi-user context. It is a function of operating system to coordinate the sharing of system resources in such a way to provide a type of service the user you require to minimize the amount of interference that take place among the executing program. Central to this function is the ability of the system to allow several users to use system simultaneously. Computer systems are also categorized according to the type of service they provide. As a point of fact, many system provide several different types of services, but of take of simplicity will deal types of service individually. In batch processing system, user normally submit their program as file, perhaps prepared using interactive editor on the same machine or other machine, even possibly or personal computer on some other older computer. The job is preferred for personal computer once older system. The job is prepared offline as half time of percent, which are then read in the system. The job is placed in external storage by the operating system on batch machine. The operating system chooses job for execution as they need resources but become available as the job are complicated. These release their resources and additional job may be selected for education or for writing. Welcome. Please like and subscribe करो बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दें